Who did?
He's missing. He's only a youngster. My boy is missing.
Where? Who took him?
Them people in the hills. Them hills near Hanging Rock. They took him.
Can't the police force help you?
Oh, they can't even help themselves. Please, sir. My son is missing. I need your help.
If I find him, I'll bring him back to you.
Farewell.
Hello?
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
How good are you with irons? I bet you can't beat Ira Shelton in shooting. I'll bet you money.
Sounds like easy money to me, partner. Not such a hot shot after all, are you?
Ain't that something? All right, here's your winnings.
Careful, partner.
You looking to die in this town, boy?
Go! Let's go! let's go!
Sir.
Hey, come on!
Well, hello there.
Sure, I heard the mountain lion crying out.
Watch yourself there.
Hello.
Hello? Hello? Is Armadillo 731? What is it with these things? Hello? It's a new line. Hello? Hello?
Sounds fun. What's happening?
I have no idea. Yeah, if it's important, they'll send someone down like they did with you.
Suddenly, the world is full of theys.
Yeah. I remember when we first got here. We used to consider people from Dade County to be exotic. Now guys can get here from the Midwest, and they can do it in 6 days.
Things have changed.
They've gotten away from me. Hello? I don't understand it no more, boy. Honest to goodness.
I'm not sure I do.
Marshall! 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 I've just been up in the canyon, spying like you said. I think I seen me a couple of them rustlers. I think it was the Ballard twins and a couple of Mexicans.
They up there right now?
Well, it was a group of 4 men rounding up Mr. Gulch's livestock, and none of them looked like any of Gulch's hands, so yes, sir, right now.
That sarcasm's most unbecoming, Eli. It's gonna hold you back in life, even worse than your lazy eye. All right, let's go. You ride with us again, Marson?
Will you help me?
I will try.
It'd be my pleasure.
How long you been working for the government, Marston?
I don't work for the government.
Well, I got a telegram from some federal clowns in Blackwater that says otherwise.
Some kind of vigilante?
You don't look like no government, boy.
I guess it's complicated. I came because it was made impossible for me not to.
You sure are a tight-lipped son of a bitch, mister.
I guess I am. Ain't gonna dig this hole no deeper.
Ain't you all proud and superior? Don't forget you need us more than we need you. Bill Williamson folded you up like an empty purse the last time, if I remember correctly.
Simmer down, Jonah.
Listen to your boss, Jonah. There's a good boy. Otherwise, I'll put a hole in your hillbilly head and watch your tiny brain drain out.
I'll be honest with you, Marston. I ain't for all this government interference.
Believe me, Marshal, neither am I.
I try to keep the federal boys happy. I mean, we need all the help we can get. But what does a flannel mouth city boy who's never forked a bale of hay in his life know about a state like New Austin?
Nothing, I reckon.
All this manifest destiny hogwash, taming a wild land, bringing modernization and betterments to the west. We're nearly there. Keep your eyes out for the bollards. All right, leave the horses here and follow me. Let's move up the canyon towards the fort. Be ready, boys. We're probably going to be outnumbered.
And those bastards ain't short on firepower, neither.
Let's see how many there are. If we can take them alive, good. If not, smoke the sons of bitches.
Music to my ears, Marshal.
Rustlers, find some cover! Christ alive! Okay, boys, you head down that left fork. I'll take the right. Marston, you come with me or go with them.
Stop falling behind! We gotta push forward!
Me and you again, Marston. Let's hope last time. Eyes up, boy. Behind that rock. For Christ's sakes! They're still coming!
Looks like it's here. Somebody fixing to have it in.
Good shooting, boy! Jesus, well. Come on, let's clear out that camp. Watch yourself. Looks like they have some backup. You better surrender. You hear? Tell the bollards to give themselves up, or we'll kill every last one of you. That bastard won't be rustling no more. All right, search the camp, Marshal. I'll wait a ways up this ridge.
Just a little something for my troubles.
Come on, stop lagging behind. Let's go. Be careful. I think I spotted some snipers. God damn it. Take out those snipers, boy. Get those thieving bastards. There's the son of a bitch.
Run away, pal!
Quick, let's go help my deputies. Damn fine shooting, boys. Come on, let's regroup.
Forgive me, friend.
This looks as good a spot as any. Gather around and listen up. All right, stealthy as you can, boys. Let's get as close to those bastards as we can.
Come on, over here!
Nice shot!
Just
Oh, my
walk
good
away!
God.
Stay with me! Hell no!
Won't be rustling no more. Nice shot!
You might as well give it up now! You don't want to do this, my friend! I'll kill the hell out of you! Good shot! You're putting that fella to bed! Are you kidding me?
Thanks, Marshal. We're indebted to you with our lives.
Just get them cattle back safe.
All right. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Well done, Mr. Marston.
Yes, well done.
Now, about Williamson.
I'll do what I can. You know, as you can see, this country is infested with all manner of scum.
Say that again.
Well, one other thing, Marston. Mr. Johnson, sir. It's Mr. West Dickens. He's missing.
Who?
Mr. West Dickens, the tonics merchant. He was due in town last week.
Oh, the narcotic and bat piss salesman who cons housewives out of their money with promises of eternal youth.
Yes, him, but I think you're being a little unfair. He's helped a great many of the county, and many of the townsfolk are really missing him.
You hear that, Marston? We just butchered a gang of thieves, and the town is up in arms about a missing snake oil merchant. I am so glad to be serving such a wise and respectable people. Come on, Eli.